Welcome to Inspection Certification Associates. Your career as a home inspector starts right here. Hi, I'm Steve Prines, and I'm the Director of Education for Inspection Certification Associates. We've developed this training program, which is the most comprehensive home inspection training program available anywhere. You'll enjoy the convenience of learning in our state-of-the-art virtual classroom, which allows you to work through the course material wherever and whenever you choose. All students who enroll in our online or classroom training will receive, at no additional charge, Report Form Pro, a home inspection report writing software package which would cost several $100s if purchased separately. This is what you'll use to create your inspection reports for your client. We also provide a free one-year membership to InterNACHI, the nation's largest home inspector professional association. Between the 24 main modules, the 2 marketing modules, the commercial inspection module, the mold and radon testing modules, and the drone roof module, as well as the extensive supplemental reference material, there are well over 100 hours of training. But you can work through the course at your own pace. Most people complete the training in 3 to 4 weeks. However, if you have the time to put into it, you may be able to finish the entire program in as little as a week to 10 days. Each educational module looks and operates the same way as this preview. All of the material is available in MP4 video format as well as an ebook format that you can download and keep. That's over 500 pages of material, so you can refer to it anywhere and anytime, even during a home inspection. This comprehensive program also includes an extensive online reference library, all completely downloadable, so you'll have access to this material even after you finish the course. And unlike a lot of the other home inspection training programs you might be considering, this state-of-the-art course works great on any computer, tablet, or smartphone and is completely up to date with the latest material. After you register for the course and log in, this is what you'll see. If you're not a computer whiz, don't worry. If you're able to view this preview, you won't have any problems getting through the course. All you have to do is click and learn. And if you need any help or have any questions, we're always here for you by telephone or email. The course modules are designed to be viewed in order, starting with Module 1, but you'll be able to go back at any time to review the course material that you've already completed. The online reference library is always available to you right here at no additional charge, and all of these documents are fully downloadable for your unlimited use after you've completed the course. Now, let's take a look at a few examples of some actual course material. Module 1 begins with an introduction to home inspections, where you'll learn exactly what we do and what we don't do. As a home inspector, you'll need some knowledge of residential construction, but if you don't have that kind of background, don't worry, because we'll teach you everything you'll need to know to be successful. A career as a professional home inspector is very rewarding. You'll combine your technical skills with your communication skills to provide a very valuable service for your clients. In Module 2, we'll show you how to get your inspection company started with detailed discussions on how to form your company and how to handle your daily business operations. In Module 3, we'll cover the entire inspection process and show you what tools and equipment that home inspectors typically use. We'll also discuss home inspection standards of practice, including what this means for you and how to follow the standards. Not only will we cover home inspection basics for all areas and systems of the home, as you see here from Module 4 regarding proper skylight flashing, but you'll also learn about cutting-edge technology such as photovoltaic roof shingles. And we'll show you how to get your inspection business rolling on the cutting edge by using a drone for roof inspections. Most experienced inspectors are barely aware of this technology, and you'll be ahead of the curve from day one. We'll show you how to uncover installation defects such as this overcut siding, which will allow leaks and possible rotting. As you move through the course, we'll make sure that you know exactly who to recommend for the various defects you'll find throughout the house. In our structural modules, you'll learn exactly how a home goes together, as well as how to determine when cracking in masonry is normal or problematic. This comprehensive home inspection training program features literally thousands of high-definition photos, such as this, as compared to other inspection training programs that teach you mostly from drawings, diagrams, and outdated fuzzy photos. You'll learn about things you should be telling your client, such as air filters on some brands of water heaters that need to be regularly cleaned. This slide regarding combustion air requirements for heating equipment is just one example of the many in-depth discussions that we offer for every system in the home. And we'll teach you step-by-step instructions on how to inspect all of the components in a home, including new technologies such as geothermal heat pumps. You'll receive extensive education in residential electrical systems. We'll start with the basics, and we'll show you the right and wrong ways to install electrical components. You'll also learn about cutting-edge technologies in electrical systems, such as tamper-resistant outlets. If you haven't seen these yet in your area, you will soon, and you'll be ready for it. After you complete a home inspection, you'll need to prepare a written report for your client. In Module 24, we'll show you what the current state-of-the-art is for inspection report formats, and you'll receive extensive training in what to say in your report, as well as how to say it correctly. This is what you'll see when you complete all 24 of the primary education modules. But the learning doesn't stop here, because we also include our marketing, light commercial inspection, mold, radon, and drone inspection packages at no additional charge for all of our students. We're the only school that offers an initial certification course that includes both home inspection and commercial inspection. Once you've completed the education modules and the final exam, we'll mail you a hard copy of your certificate of completion with your individual ICA certification number for your inspection reports and marketing materials. In addition to mailing your official certification, we also issue you a laminated, wallet-sized copy of your credentials so you can always have those handy in case you need them. We're the only school that does this for our students. And you have unlimited support both during and after the course to help you be very successful as a professional home inspector. We've been teaching successful home inspectors at national and regional conferences, as well as through our sister company, Quality Education Group, for over 20 years, so we're here to stay. Thanks for considering Inspection Certification Associates.
If you like what you heard here and would like to enroll in our course, just go to www.icaschool.com or call us at 888-374-4096. We have unlimited support and are here to help you every step of the way.